Historians say that buildings are the most significant and longest living sign of civilizations. Half a century ago, nobody dared to imagine that on the hot sands of the Arabian Peninsula would rise the magnificent silhouettes of metropolises such as the modern Dubai and Abu Dhabi. For visitors, the first impression from the country are the futuristic skyline and construction work going on day and night. Buildings, roads, airports, the whole country is a giant construction site. In the front line and the most visible are the large construction companies which change the silhouette of the cities every day. One of them, the most successful and the largest in the region, is Arabtec Construction Company. As the country grew, so did the demand for luxury accommodation, for the ever-increasing population of local residents and expatriates coming from all over the world. In response to the need, Arabtec established a special division, Arabtec Living. Arabtec Living is the biggest builder of luxury villa complexes and individual houses in the country. As a result of the company's operations, whole new satellite cities appeared on the map, with community centres, spas, golf courses, schools, and more. A modern, effective organisation is the backbone of smooth-running operations. Arabtec Living employs over 300 engineers and technicians who carefully design, plan and supervise the job execution. The management holds regular meetings to discuss day-to-day business and to control the operations. There is a saying that a picture paints 1,000 words, but there's no picture which can rival the statistics. In its time in the construction business, Arabtec Living has built 15,372 villas. The total built-up area of the projects equals an impressive 4,686,203 square metres, with a 787-kilometre boundary wall. 4.5 million cubic metres of concrete were used in the projects, and over 555,000 tonnes of steel reinforcement. And to bring that miracle to fruition took 405 million man-hours. Now is a good time to mention the special care the company takes over the 18,000 workers on sites across the country at peak time. The company recognises their needs and provides decent accommodation with modern living standards, recreational and medical facilities. Back on the site, the work continues day and night. Every day, more than 1,300 special machines work on the company's projects. Arabtec Living utilises the progressive method of tunnel form work, which effectively cuts the time needed to rise the structures. The largest construction site for 2015, the Reem 1898 Villas development for Emaar Al Rayyan in Dubai, is a perfect example of how the company organises and runs the business. After discussions with the client, the in-house drawing facility develops and prepares the plans under the guidance of the experienced architects and engineers. The estimations take place and all the preliminary work is completed. In short, the company develops the whole project with its own design concept to fit the tunnel formwork implementation and execution. The construction work is organised like a conveyor, with the structures raised in continuous sequence. All the supporting operations, such as carpentry, steel yard, precast yard and the tunnel forms depot, are set next to the construction area, thus minimising the transport time and eliminating any delay. At such a large site, there are villas in all stages of construction, from ground zero to ready houses with all finishing works completed down to the smallest details. Quality is a key word in the long-lasting relationship with the client, and Arabtec Living doesn't compromise here. For example, the quality of the concrete used to cast the structures is strictly monitored on a short-term, daily and long-term, monthly basis in the special concrete lab on the site. On the subject of quality, Arabtec Living is internationally certified to ISO 9001, ISO 14001 and OHSAS 18001 respectively for their provision of building and civil engineering contracting services, including turnkey projects, MEP works, architecture design, services relating to luxury villas internationally, and safety and environmental management. The safety policy of the company is to the highest international standards. Regular safety inducement sessions are held, with demonstrations of all safety rules and techniques. Safety department teams inspect the sites and make sure the slogan "Safety Rules" is strictly followed. Looking at the map of Dubai, we can easily understand the pride Arabtec Living takes in its work. It is a company with firm roots in the economic miracle of the region. Its achievements are visible everywhere and stand as indisputable proof for the company's strength and leadership. Arabtec Living, the winner's name.